Welcome back to Auto Insider. Today we're diving into the all-new 2026 Honda CR-V, a harmonious blend of style, performance, and innovation. Let's explore what makes this SUV a standout in its class. First up, the exterior. Honda has given the 2026 CR-V a bold facelift. The front fascia features a wider, more upright grille flanked by sharp LED headlights, exuding an aggressive yet sophisticated look. The redesigned taillights extend onto the tailgate, adding to its modern appeal. Adventure enthusiasts will be thrilled with the new Trail Sport trim. This off-road spoke variant boasts increased ground clearance, underbody protection, and all-terrain tires, making it more than capable of handling rugged terrains. Step inside and you'll notice a spacious, comfortable cabin. The 2026 CR-V offers ample legroom and headroom for both front and rear passengers. Premium materials adorn the dashboard and seats, creating a refined atmosphere. The centerpiece is this large touchscreen infotainment system, equipped with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium audio setup. Plus, with wireless smartphone charging and multiple USB ports, staying connected on the go has never been easier. Cargo space is generous, offering 39.3 cubic feet behind the rear seats. Fold them down and you get even more room for your gear, making it perfect for both daily errands and weekend getaways. Under the hood, the CR-V offers two powertrains. The standard 1.5-liter turbocharged engine delivers 190 horsepower, ensuring a responsive drive. For those seeking efficiency, the hybrid variant combines a 2-liter engine with electric motors, producing 204 horsepower and impressive fuel economy. Both engines are paired with a continuously variable transmission offering smooth acceleration. Front-wheel drive comes standard, but all-wheel drive is available for enhanced traction, ensuring confidence in various driving conditions. Safety is paramount in the 2026 CR-V. Honda's sensing suite includes collision mitigation braking, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and more, providing peace of mind on every journey. Now, let's talk numbers. While official pricing hasn't been released, industry experts anticipate a starting price around $32,000, positioning it competitively within the compact SUV segment. The 2026 Honda CR-V impresses with its blend of rugged design, advanced technology, and versatile performance. Whether you're navigating city streets or exploring off the beaten path, this SUV is ready for the challenge. Thanks for tuning in to Auto Insider. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth car reviews. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we'll be taking an exclusive look at the upcoming 2026 Lexus GSF. You won't want to miss it.